Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to review and show you the capabilities of the ElectriQ CD12PRO-LE dehumidifier. I bought this smart dehumidifier to help reduce the condensation and mould in the house. So far I've been using it every day for nearly a month and I have already seen good results. This is a low power consumption device, so it will not consume a lot of energy running it all night. Now let's talk about the control panel and how to use it. To turn it on, press the green power button on the bottom right of the panel. The light will then turn on next to operation. Below this there is tank full and defrost. The tank full light will turn on when the tank is ready to be emptied, and the defrost light will show when the frost builds on the evaporator coils. The number on the screen indicates your current humidity level. To set the humidity level that you want to reach, use the up and down arrows. The dehumidifier will stop once your room reaches this level. There are 4 modes to choose from: high, low, air purifier and smart. With the high mode, the fan works harder to reach your desired humidity level. With the low mode, the fan is quieter but takes longer to reach your set humidity level. In the air purifier mode, only the fan will run and water is not extracted. With the smart mode, the fan speed will be adjusted automatically and will aim to reach a humidity level of 50 to 55%. The humidity indicator light button will allow you to turn on or off the light on the front of the dehumidifier. There are 3 colors that can be displayed depending on the humidity levels in the room. Red indicates high humidity above 70%, orange is comfortable between 60 and 70%, and green is dry below 60%. As you can see, my humidifier is currently showing a red light, which means the humidity level is above 70%. There are 3 oscillation settings: 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and the swing setting. The swing setting can be used when drying washing. You can also set a timer so that you can delay the powering on or off of your dehumidifier. For example, if I want the dehumidifier to start in 3 hours' time, while the dehumidifier is powered off, press the timer function, then use the up and down arrows to select number 3. You can also set the timer function while the dehumidifier is running to set a delayed power off. The UV button is an air purifier function that can help destroy germs and bacteria and improve air quality. This smart dehumidifier can also be controlled by the Tuya Smart app. The app is really useful as you can set a repetitive schedule to turn on or off your machine. Watch the video that will appear at the end of this video to learn how to set up and use your ElectriQ dehumidifier with the app. You can also control your dehumidifier with Amazon Alexa. Watch the video that will appear at the end of this video to learn how to do this. Now let's look at the back of the dehumidifier. To empty the water tank, open the back cover and pull out the tank carefully. Remove the cap and pour out the water. I usually find the tank is full on my dehumidifier when it has been running between 12 and 24 hours in a room with high humidity levels. The dehumidifier comes with a carbon filter which is used to keep the room fresh and odour-free and should be inserted into the filter housing. All in all, this is a really useful addition to the home to combat condensation and mould. If you have any questions about this product, you can write a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.